So to de-ice the windscreen and the windows of your car, you just have to take a plastic carrier bag and fill it with warm water. You have to make sure it's not boiling hot, because if you apply boiling water onto your windscreen, the rapid change of temperature can maybe result in some cracks in the window. So just make sure it's warm but it's not too hot. Fill it in the bag and you just lightly wipe it down the windscreen. And to be fair, you don't need to put any force. The bag is heavy because of the water, so you just let it fall down onto the window and you just move it down, and you can see it is clearing the frost away. The window still looks white here because there's a lot of condensation on the inside of the window screen, but I'm going to show you on another car here where there's less condensation, so we can see how effective this actually is when it comes to clearing the ice off your window screen. There may be some small holes in the bag and you'll find maybe some water may be dripping out, but even if that happens, it'll still help to melt the ice off the window screen, so that's still fine, as long as though it's not dripping out completely. And look here, you can see how effectively it is at removing the ice.